Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I take this hair and turn it into this hair. So this is what a lot of people use to make passion twists, and I'm going to be doing the same. So I first start with the Expressions braiding hair. This is in the color 2, so it's not a jet black, but it is a dark brown to the point where it kind of looks black. So I've already cut the hair in half. It comes about 84 inches, which is extremely long. What I'm gonna do next is feather the hair. When I say feather the hair, I'm just making it look so it's kind of like a straggly end instead of a blunt cut. As you're going along feathering the hair, make sure at the bottom that you're detangling it. You can detangle it with a wide tooth comb or just run your fingers through it. Okay, so now that we have the hair stretched, prepped, and ready to go, what I'm going to do is take a small section of that. I really don't know how to tell you all how to measure how much to take, but I would say about an inch of hair. You just kind of have to feel for it. You don't want your passion twists to be too thin, but you also don't want them to be too big unless you're going for that kind of style. So now I do have my straw, and I took a shish kebab stick and I put it inside of the straw just so it would be more firm and the straw wouldn't bend. So I wrap the hair around the straw, and now I'm twisting it to create a loop. And what I'm doing now is just twisting the hair on the straw, but I'm making sure that I leave some space. And while you're twisting it, leaving space, make sure you're holding it tight with your other hand so that it doesn't unravel while you are twisting it around the straw. And then once I have that side completed, I turn the straw upside down to get a better angle on it, and I'm going to wrap it the other way, filling in those gaps and spaces. So I'm going to show it to you all one more time because I know it can be a little confusing. It took me a couple tries to get it down pat. So I insert the shish kebab stick into the straw. This is just so that it'll be firm. If you already have firm straws, you can skip this step. I'm going to take about an inch of hair. You can take more or less depending on the style that you're going for. I wrap the hair around the straw. And then what I do is I hold the hair right underneath the straw, and I'm going to twist it around. This is just to make the loop. Once that's done, I'm holding it tight with my left hand, and I'm twisting and still holding it with my left hand each time I twist the hair around the straw. And then just make my left hand go down as I'm twisting with my right hand. Dip them in hot water for about 1 minute and I let them dry overnight. This is what they look like. And I think it came out really, really good. Especially being that we had to pay the passion twist prices, honey. So, yeah. I hope that you all found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to show you all how I actually install the passion twists. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!